Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw CRM notes from Salesforce into HubSpot with AI cleanup, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw CRM notes from Salesforce into HubSpot, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the relevant object that contains the notes you want to export. Use the Salesforce search bar to find the specific notes if needed. Select the notes you wish to withdraw. Once selected, click on the Export option. Choose the format you'd like to export the notes in, commonly CSV is preferred. Download the exported file to your local device. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the Contacts section in HubSpot. Look for the Import option to bring in your newly exported Salesforce notes. Follow the prompts to upload the CSV file you downloaded. During the import process, map the relevant fields from your CSV file to HubSpot prompt. Review the mapping to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, proceed with the import. After the notes are successfully imported, it's time for AI cleanup. Utilize an AI tool or text editing software to enhance and standardize the notes. Check for grammar, spelling, and formatting consistency. Make any necessary adjustments for clarity and conciseness. Finally, review the cleaned up notes one last time before finalizing. Your CRM notes from Salesforce are now successfully transferred and refined in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.